Ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Telegram account o yung ating Telegram app. And then pagka-open guys, mag-open lang kayo ng isang conversation kung saan gusto nyo mag-send ng inyong location or yung inyong real-time or exact location. So pagka-open guys ng conversation, itap nyo lang yung file button na nandito sa may lower part. And dito guys, itap nyo lang or hanapin nyo dito yung location. So tap nyo lang. And dito guys, may dalawa kayong pwedeng pagpilian kung paano kayo makapag-share ng inyong location. Pwede nyo guys isend lang is yung inyong current location ngayon or pwede nyo i-share yung inyong live location. So, ibig sabihin guys ng live location is yun yung i-share yung inyong real-time location within 1 hour, 30 minutes, hanggang kailan nyo gustong i-share. So, nasa sa inyo naman yun guys. Kasi yung live location guys is kumbaga parang naka-monitor yung inyong location sa ibang tao once na sinad nyo to sa kanila. Pero kapag ito lang guys, send selected location, is kung ano lang yung sinend yung location as of now, yun lang yung ma-view nila. Kahit lumipat pa kayo or umalis na kayo ng ibang location, yun lang yung makikita nilang location. So tap natin guys is ito lang, send selected location. So kung ano yung location nyo ngayon, yun lang yung masishare nyo or masasend sa kanila. So ayan guys, nag-send na yung aking shinare na location as of now. So kapag magsasend naman tayo guys ng real-time or exact location, ganito yung magiging itsura niyan. So, once na tinap nyo yung exact or real-time location ninyo, pwede kayong pumili dito kung hanggang kailan nyo gustong i-share yung location. So, gumagalaw to guys. Once na lumilipat kayo na ibang lugar or location, nakikita pa rin nila kasi nga, this is live location. So, pwede nyo gawing for 1 hour yung sharing time ng location, for 8 hours, or pwede naman guys kung hanggang kailan nyo gustuhin or kung hanggang kailan nyo papatayin yung pag-share ng inyong location. So, for example guys, is ito yung pipiliin ko. Tap nyo lang yung share. And ayan guys, kapag sinanda natin sila nitong ating live location and inopen nila yan guys sa kanilang phone, madedetect nila yung ating real-time or exact location. So ayun lang, ganun lang kasimple.